Beautiful chicken drumsticks for tonight. That's right. Removed from the packaging, and I rinsed them off, and then I patted them dry really well. And remember, your house, your rules, you do whatever you want to do. Please preheat your oven to 425. Thank you. In a bowl, I'm gonna add soy sauce. Remember, Mama doesn't do exact measurements. Do whatever you want to do. Ginger, garlic powder, pepper, honey, a little bit of oil, olive oil I'm using, any oil you want. Mix well. Now the best thing to do really is to marinate your chicken in this sauce for like 24 hours. Well, my kids want to eat, so we're not going to marinate it. I'm just going to dip it in and we're going to cook it. I've got a rack here and a pan, and that's how we're going to cook it. Drenching the chicken in the sauce and place on the rack. My mama made me this every single week back in the 70s, and I loved it. Oh my God, I just realized that I'm really old. Oh my God. Save the remaining juices for basting for later. Okay, they're ready to go in the oven. They're going in for 35 to 40 minutes. We're gonna flip them once at like 20, 25 minutes. I'm gonna hit that broil button, and we're gonna broil it for like 3 to 5 minutes. And right before you hit that broil button, give it another baste. Dinner is ready. Yeah, and remember to serve your side dishes like vegetables and all that stuff. Little hot honey here. Gonna add that to mine, because yum. Yum, 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 yum. The best. The best. Juicy, flavorful, easy to make, and quick. Yum. Enjoy.